The Johns Hopkins Executive MBA at Carey Business School was launched for very busy rising executives that are looking to be even more accomplished in their careers and have a greater impact.
We also recognize the need for business leaders to be agile and resilient.
We are right now in the midst of a radical transformation that's being driven by digital technologies and artificial intelligence. Upskilling and reskilling is an absolute imperative.
Professionals in the Carey Executive MBA program can expect a rigorous core business curriculum with an AI-first focus.
Artificial intelligence is infused through every one of the courses in our program.
Also, it has a cohort experience where the students are learning from each other as well as from the faculty.
Within the cohort, they have an opportunity to develop a professional network that will continue paying dividends for years to come.
We have a few days of intensive residencies with a lot of interaction, a lot of discussion. Then the students can take some of the content online.
We also create opportunities for senior leaders to learn in a variety of real business settings.
And then we give our students the opportunity to go to a new country, to visit businesses there.
I think what's unique about the Johns Hopkins Executive MBA is frankly what's unique about Johns Hopkins. This is a great university that focuses on bringing together all the various parts of the university in an interdisciplinary way.
Everything that we get from the Johns Hopkins ecosystem adds to the value of the degree.
Carey Business School has for a long time educated working professionals, leaders who attend this program. They're going to have a big impact on their business as well as on their own professional career.